After the Johnny Depp trial, Amber Heard's sister questioned her confidence in humanity. After the Johnny Depp trial, Amber Heard's sister expressed her confidence in humanity was in doubt. Whitney Henriquez was one of the witnesses who testified during the Virginia court proceedings this summer when Depp successfully sued his ex-wife for defamation over a 2018 opinion piece she wrote for The Washington Post in which she discussed experiencing domestic violence, but left out the name of her former partner. Now that she has spoken out about the abuse she experienced after testifying in court, she wrote the following on Instagram: "It would be a great understatement to say that since the trial verdict, my faith in humanity has been brought into question. Just look at some of the comments on my posts, and undoubtedly this one, to see how deeply misogynistic this world is. Not only did it highlight some pretty major flaws in the legal system, but it also demonstrated how harassment of anyone who speaks out or has a different opinion is simply accepted." Mother of two Whitney continued by saying that she is concerned about parenting her children in such a stressful environment. "I'm terrified to raise my kids in this world, and every day it just seems more and harder to navigate and cope with," she continued. She ended the post by releasing an open letter to her sister in which she expressed her support and denounced the actress's vilification and the online persecution she had experienced. The letter was called by Whitney, "Finally, the tides are shifting. It's a much-needed breath of fresh air, finally." #Island with Amber Heard. Whitney, who testified on behalf of her sister and was one of the primary witnesses in the case, claimed to have witnessed a physical altercation between Heard and Depp. The jury in Virginia found Heard responsible on 3 counts of defamation and ordered her to pay Depp $15 million despite the fact that Depp fiercely disputed any allegations that he had been aggressive toward his ex-wife. In Heard's countersuit against him, the Pirates of the Caribbean actor was found responsible on 1 count of defamation and was mandated to pay his former $2 million. Whitney published an Instagram post congratulating her sister for speaking out after the trial was over. She penned, "You have my support, sissy. I will always be proud of you because you stood up for yourself and spoke up about the things that go on behind closed doors on yesterday, today, and tomorrow. We were aware that the odds were not on our side and that this would be a difficult battle. But despite everything, you got up and talked."